8 aboard, and they start their roll as the 7-8 roll around the rest of the formation. You can see the drift of the aircraft really struggle with that long crowd wing that we talked about earlier on. The red smoke, the blue smoke comes on as red 7-8 continue to roll on their warm brings the formation around the right, making those rolls conducted by 7-8 even more difficult. Smoke burns a lot more brightly. In addition to that air brake at the bottom of the aircraft, it disturbs the airflow out the back of the